Hello, today we are going to be making paint from materials that you can find in your kitchen. So to make the paint at home, we're going to use some commonly found ingredients in your kitchen that I have pre-measured. We have 3/4 of a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of flour, and 3/4 of a cup of salt. You'll also need some food coloring to color the paint, a squeeze bottle to store and make it easier to use. I also have a fork to stir and a spatula for transferring. We are going to start by combining all of the ingredients into this mixing bowl. So I'm going to pour the flour, salt, and I'm going to give that a stir. And then combine the water. I'm going to add half of it at first and then stir that in. And then add the rest of it. You're going to keep stirring until you get rid of all the lumps. Now that I've gotten rid of all of the lumps, I'm going to add some food coloring. You can start off with a little, you can start off with a lot, depending on how much color and what shade you would like. All right, so here I have the red paint. We're going to pour it into this squeeze bottle for easy storage and easy use. If you have a funnel at home, that might be easier to use. All right, so I have filled up my bottle and I'm going to wipe off the outside that I spilt a little bit on. And put the cap on. If the paint starts to get dry, you can add in a little bit of water and just give it a quick shake and it'll go back to a paint consistency. Also, just like any other paint, it will dry out once it's on paper after a couple hours. So you can use this for finger painting, painting pictures, or whichever you would like.